Good morning, guys. This is I'm a pet dog, and oops, wrong button. I got 3 dimes for the daily spin. Yay! Ooh, trick or treat, you're Batman. I'm gonna write. Oops, I did not mean to do that. I'm gonna write back. Nice costume. Nice costume. Oops, I can't. So, oh, here we go. Nice costume. Here is blah, blah, blah. Your prize for from trick or treating. What should I give her? Excuse me. Sorry, I just coughed there. She should get maybe slingshot, maybe her pumpkin head. Maybe a royal cape, or what should she get? I'm gonna go scrolling through this all day. Am I? Why is everybody trading me horns? No. I'll sort by item. And I'm gonna go all the way back up. Ooh, I should give her red nerd glasses. I have lots of those. Here, I'll change this to that. And change it. Northland zebra. No. There you go. I'm gonna search up Northland zebra again. Northland zebra. What the? Dang it, what did I get wrong? I think someone's just about to get a long green wrist. I want to watch. No. Ooh, sides. That's a cool username. La-di-la. Okay, there's nothing I want. I can't scroll down anymore. Thanks so much. Thank you. And you're welcome. You're welcome. Send. Sorry, just coughing. Don't like coughing. Look, it's not going away, but here, watch up here what I do with my gems. It's staying, but when I go to the side, it comes off. Earless for long color or non-real. Wow. I'm gonna see if he or she accepts. Where are those? Did I get scary antlers? Mitten. That's a good username, I think. Bye. See, that's proof that they're in stores. I don't care which one. Aw, dang it. Dang it, I just keep coughing. Coughity cough, cough, cough. Well, we can't wait till the next Tuesdays. Oh, you're Northern Zebra. Awesome. See, look, Northern Zebra. Okay, what did you trade on my trade list? I think you traded Slingshot. Duh. Where? Trade me a mummy mask for my reward ball. A mummy mask? I think I can buy a mummy mask. Oh, yes you can. Mummy mask. I don't know. I don't think it matters which color. Mummy mask. Mummy mask for our eyeball. Don't. Come on. Mummy mask for our eyeball. Duh! How come you can't trade now? Come on. Come on. Come on. I want to trade you. Oh, finally. What the? No. Where? No. Dang it. Open sign for non-repairs or non-repaired. Jeremy of deal. You be jelly. And I'm jelly of you be jelly. You're, but, that just confuses me. My really long orange spike wrist for a decent color, short collar. What in the world? You don't even have one. Well, if you do, it's just on trade. Trade me a longer spike wristband for my beta rhino helmet. Blah. Ah, I saw the mummy mask on. I'm trading this, so when it Oh, dang it. Now where's my Viking hat? Come back here. Hey, where'd you go? Nah, nah, nah. Oh, I passed it. Here we go. Why does everybody want Spike? They're like, Spike, Spike, Spike. Ugh. Nobody will be there except for maybe your buddy. Oh. It's unlocked. So never mind. Not that much items or not, but it's not. What do I want though? What do I want? It can't be plushie. Come on, don't choose plushie. Don't. Okay, I have to choose plushie. I want kangaroo plushie. I want kangaroo. I want kangaroo. Hello. I'm recording. Yay. It's okay. You're not disrupting. But where are you? I want giant kangaroo. Ooh. Blah, 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 blah. Coffin. Send a trade. Whoa, you just added some things. Yeah. Hello. I want giant kangaroo. Can't do it here. Done, done, done. Okay, over to 7. Types in. Types in giant kangaroo. Hee hee. Giant kangaroo plushie. Oh, well, I trade. Like, these are for sale in the diamond shop, so they're 1 diamond only, so that's why I like them. Well, not only why. Here, seasonal tree. Seasonal tree for giant kangaroo plushie. Yay, thank you. Thank you. Yay, thank you. Let me go look around first. Let me go look around first. Ooh, I like this party. And giant lion plushie. Put giant lion plushie on trade.